So really good work. We are about to move from Photoshop into Illustrator. Now, obviously, Photoshop is really dense. You could spend a whole class learning Photoshop, and that would be wonderful. But because of the nature of this class, we have to make sure that you have some basic experience in every one of the Adobe Suite programs. So we're going to move over to Illustrator, which is really interesting. There's a few key differences between Photoshop and Illustrator. Photoshop is pixel based and layer based, right? So when you have that feeling, I mean, the most essential way to understand that is you're drawing with a digital brush and you're sort of spraying an analog of paint over your canvas. Those are pixels, and really they're kind of inflexible compared to vectors. Even though if you've never used Illustrator before, you won't feel that way. You'll feel that Photoshop is really easy, and it takes some adjustment to understand Illustrator. But I hope in playing with it and in some of these simple exercises, you will see the flexibility of vector-based design and get enough experience to control it in at least a basic way. So, I'm not sure that we are going to have a test, but that's a question that would be on a test, and it's a question that serves as the foundation of your basic understanding of these programs. The Photoshop is working with pixels, and its great strength is painting, and Illustrator works with vectors, and its greatest strength is scalability. A vector can be any size. It can be, it can be 100 feet tall, and you can still output it crisply. And yeah, so there you have it. So just a little transition point, and we're going to do a couple of Illustrator lessons to get you started.